We're getting a new roof today. Hi, this is Kelly DeCestro, and we're here at the Star Showcase home benefiting the Wichita Children's Home. Today we're here with Bill McCormick from Eaton Roofing and Exteriors, and we are getting a new roof. Hi, Bill.
Hi, how are you?
Doing well. This is exciting.
Very exciting.
So, new roof. We have to start by taking off the old roof. Can you tell us a little bit about what we were looking at?
Yeah, absolutely. So actually we're doing a little bit more than just taking off a roof. We're taking off two roofs. So this home has a shake shingle over the top of a wood shingle. So it's quite challenging. We're having to take the top one off first and then followed by the second one. As you can see that it's on wood slats, which is quite challenging in itself, given the pitch as well.
So those wood slats, that was pretty common for the era?
Very common, very common. The idea there is they put the wood shingle on and it got wet. It would expand and keep the water from coming in the house. But it also needed to dry out from the backside as well, so that was the idea for the slats.
And so, was it common to have shake shingle over a wood shingle?
Well, back then you were able to put a shingle or a new roof on top of a wood shingle. So this was very common back then to put a shake then over the top of a wood shingle.
So we can leave the slats on there and then put the decking over it, correct?
Absolutely.
What other challenges did this project present?
It's quite steep. It's 14-12 pitch, so that in itself is quite difficult, just staying put and doing this level of work and removal. There's also a lot of fireplaces. This home has 3 fireplaces, all with original flashings on them, so we're having to change all those as well.
It looks like a lot of different levels of roof too. Is that common?
It was in the 30s, not so common now anymore, but it presents its own challenge with having so many different planes tying into each other. It does make it quite difficult.
And what about that wood siding?
That is original to the home as well. As you can see, it's been painted many times. With the new roof, we're having to change the sidewall flashing, so we're going to have to remove the wood shingles along with the roof and install new step shingles as we go up the sidewalls. So that is time consuming as well.
All right, so the old shake shingle is going. What are we putting in its place?
So as we put the new decking on, we're putting on some synthetic underlayment. We're putting on a lifetime warranted asphalt shingle. So we got some great benefits there. It carries a 130-mile-an-hour wind warranty and a lifetime manufacturer's warranty as well. So
we're replacing some of the trim and fascia as well, correct?
That's right. So we're removing the gutter, we're taking off the old fascia, and we're replacing it with 5/4 fiber cement all the way around.
So we're getting away from the very brown wood look of the home, and we're going with more of a gray and black color scheme on this. So this is actually the shingle we're using. It's kind of a black textured, and then tell me, is the fascia pre-finished?
The fascia is pre-finished. It should never ever have to be painted. So along with this color of shingle, it should look stunning. So
Bill, tell me a little bit about the history and local nature of Eaton Roofing and Exteriors.
Well, we started in 1993 with 1 man and 1 truck. 27 years later, we've grown to 40 employees in 5 different locations throughout the state.
So you're partnering with us on the roofing of this project, but Eaton Roofing and Exteriors does a lot of other projects.
Yes, we do windows, doors, siding, decks, patio covers. We do it all.
Bill, we're so excited to be a partner with you on this. Can you tell me a little bit about what drew you to the project?
Our partnership with Star Lumber dates clear back 15 years ago when we were asked to be the extreme home makeover contractor. We asked Star Lumber to help us with that. They did. So when they asked us to help them with this, we did it. We feel honored and blessed and very grateful to be part of this.
All net proceeds from the sale of the home will be donated to the Wichita Children's Home. So thank you so much for donating your time and talents to this. Everything that we can get donated, any partners that we have on this project like you, just increase the donation that we can give to the Children's Home at the end of this.
Thank you so much for having us be part of this.
Thank you so much to Eaton Roofing and Exteriors for helping us on this project. Be sure and watch our upcoming episodes at starlumber.com, Facebook, or Instagram.
Let Star guide you through the entire project.
Was that it? This is going to be on camera, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know why you suggested it.
Do it again and say, hey, welcome to
Okay. No, what do you want me to do?
I want you to intro it and
Okay,
do
all right.
the heel click and intro it. We'll see if it works.
It's new roofing day. Okay.
Closer to this sign. A little closer. Closer that way. Close, close, close. It's fine. Okay. And go.
It's new roofing day.
That's awesome.